Hello friends, what are you doing right now? Can you answer this question? Okay, take a moment and try to answer this question. Friends, don't worry if it's not perfect. It's okay. We are just practicing together. If you don't know how to answer this question, so this video is just for you. Today, we will learn some easy daily conversational sentences. So, let's start and speak together. So, friends, part 1, starting a conversation. Here are sentences. Hello, how are you? Say this when you meet someone. I am fine, thank you. Use this to reply politely. What about you? Say this to continue the conversation. Now, where are you going? I am going to the market. Okay, friends, try saying these aloud. Now say it with me. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Okay, great job. Now try again. Okay, friends, now part 2, talking about daily life. Here are sentences. What are you doing? I am cleaning my room. Are you busy? Yes, a little. Or you can say, no, I am free now. Good job. These are short and real. Speak them anytime in your daily life. Pause this video and say each line once. Okay friends, now part 3 of this video, small talk sentences. How was your day? It was good. I am feeling tired. Let's take some rest and see you soon. Okay friends, these are friendly lines. You can use them with anyone, friends, family, or even at work. Now part 4. It's a practice time and this is interactive section. You can practice with me. Okay, now let's make your own short talk. I will say the first line, you say the next line. Watch on screen. Hello, how are you? Now, your turn. Okay, my turn. What are you doing? Now, your turn. Perfect. We are learning step by step. Be proud of yourself. Hey friends, if you liked this conversational practice, write it in the comments. I practiced today. Hey everyone, great job today. Remember, every little step helps you get better. Keep practicing, stay confident, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. See you next time for more fun English practice. Thank you for watching. See you soon.